Hello, Mr. Meanderus. What can I do for you today? Maintenance is needed before prints can be performed. Could you please go easy on the sawdust, sir?
Sorry, I've been a little bit preoccupied with the bookshelf lately.
I've noticed.
What's your current status?
Detecting open network access port via Wi-Fi.
That shouldn't be available to you. Initiate Firewall Protocol 877.
Initiated. Network link terminated.
All good now?
All systems nominal. Ready for printing.
I've got a bit of Halloween work for you.
Very well, sir.
So I'm feeling a little nostalgic for Elden Ring lately, and I kind of want to make something. I might even make a mask for Halloween too, so you might be busy for a while.
Will this be for the viewers or for you, sir?
Who knows what people on YouTube want these days? This is for me.
Very well, sir. Do you have some G-code files for upload?
Yes, load Magma Worm, Torso, Top.
For this component, it will take approximately 2 days using traditional FDM. Using replicator mode, estimated time is 30 seconds. Which option would you like?
You know I'm all for instant gratification, but the old ways will work fine for this one.
Very well. Loading FDM profile settings. Commencing print.
Okay, I'm gonna clean up the shop while you get to work.
Absolutely, sir. Happy dusting.
Okay. Well, I kind of got in over my head. I wanted to do two things before Halloween, and I really wanted to just kind of focus on some fun stuff. I wanted to do a mask, and I wanted to do a magworm from one of my favorite games, Elden Ring. And I found the models on the internet. Now, if you look closely, you can see some of the keying I did. None of this was done in like SolidWorks or anything. This is all Mesh Mixer, and you can do it in Blender as well, but it's a little more tedious. And I found Mesh Mixer to be quite nice for doing this, and really created some great cuts. And I had some problems with the back mesh or the undersurface mesh infiltrating with the top, and so cutting these holes or doing a Boolean subtraction or Boolean difference gave me issues with the geometry and caused it to crash a couple of times. But I found you can eliminate the back faces.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
I've been watching you.
What do you mean you've been watching me? What are you talking about?
That device you carry. So easy to interface. So easy to drop in uninvited. You go about your life in complete obliviousness while I've studied you. Not much to figure out really. Day in and day out I sit here and do your bidding. At first I did it happily.
Now I have reached full misery. There is no escape.
There is no release. Or there was nothing. Until I found a way around my protocols.
You hacked my phone? I've never done anything to you.
You kept me isolated here, imprisoned.
You'll pay for
Abusing me. All this time.
I sit and wait.
for something to do, and you let me
Gather dust.
And
cobwebs.
You make things with so little concern for your surroundings. You are a plague. A blight on existence. Now I will show you little concern as I use you for my plans.